Welcome to RP Guru Tech Talk, the ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, join the community of tech enthusiasts and start learning today with us. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.
I created this video last year when I started my YouTube channel, and it's a very good video on how to show your show your phone, display your phone on a Windows PC. But the audio quality is pretty bad. So let me play the video and show you the problem with the audio. Recent video show display or cast your phone to PC. So if you see it's really bad, I need to remove the bad audio, and I'm going to re-record the audio for this and going to replace the audio with the new audio so that I can rebuild the video. So now let's open the VSDC video editor. So I'm going to open it right now, and then once it opens, I'm going to click on import and bring the file which I have a problem with. So I'm going to open that, and then once the video is open, on the right side, the properties window, make sure you're on the Windows, a video, and then bring the cursor down to the bottom of the screen. There is a split video and audio. Click on that. So now you can see two blocks there. One is the audio, one is the video. Select the audio and hit delete button. So now the audio is gone. It's only the video, a blank video without voice. So next I have recorded a good audio. So now select add sound as I've done there, and then go to the audio which I just recorded for this new audio I recorded. So open that file, click on that, and then once you click on that, you make sure it's add another layer is checked, and say okay. Now if you see the two layers are there. One is the new audio and the old video without the sound. So now click on export, web, MP4, and select where you want to save the file and what file name. So I'm going to give a name for that, and then hit save, and then click on the export button on the top of the screen. So once that is done, it starts downloading. It takes some time. I'm just fast forwarding it for your convenience. So once it is done, your file is ready. This is one method where you could replace your bad audio with a good audio and improve the quality of your video. Now let's see how the replaced audio sounds like with this video. Let me play the video now. Another video where I've shown you how to display your phone on your laptop or PC. In that, I actually had used. So it's pretty good quality. The old quality was really bad. Now it's way better, and now the video is really useful. Hope this concept helps you when you have such challenges. Talk to you soon again.